What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. As you can see, we are now still dipping and we're slowly going down here to this trend line. But I do want to mention some stuff about the technicals and about what the whales are doing to combat what's happening inside the overall crypto market. So, anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight on with it with the Dogecoin video. So as you can see, in the last 24 hours, our 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by the bears by 100%. So over here, you can see we were a little bit overbought, but notice how over here we weren't oversold, even though we had a huge sell going from all the way up there, all the way down there. This red area shows supply and demand of less demand, green area supply and demand of more demand. Notice how as we go down here on the oscillator, it shows huge selling, but it wasn't oversold. That's because everything inside the crypto market did the same exact thing, so it wasn't oversold. Over here, you can see everything's going down. And we're going to go over exactly why all of this is going down. We got Bitcoin down 7.7% for the day. We got Ethereum down 9.4% for the day. We got Binance Coin down 7.6% for the day. We got everything down pretty much. So I want to go over why. Now over here, like you can see over here, digital currencies are following in tandem with other risk assets amid panic over a new heavily mutated variant of the you know what thing first detected in South Africa. So it's pretty much spreading around and it's really spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the whole market from everything from crypto, the stock market, everything's going down. So the World Health Organization on Thursday gave a briefing of the new you know what, which is known as this whatever it's called, and is thought to contain more than 30 mutations. The UK and other nations have temporarily suspended flights from 6 African countries in response. So pretty much a lot of FUD is going on right now. Even the stock market's going down. As you can see, global stock markets were sinking Friday, with European stocks set for their worst session in more than a year, and U.S. stock futures down sharply. So investors are retreating from riskier assets for the relative safety of bonds. So a lot of people are getting out of crypto right now. So Bitcoin is often being described by its proponents as digital gold, a reference to the yellow metal's status as a so-called safe haven asset. Crypto investors say the virtual currency offers a store of value, blah, 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 a hedge against inflation. It's worth noting that Bitcoin is volatile. As you know, it is dropping right now. Everything's going down right now because of this whole new variant. So that is why everything is down inside the market. That's why Dogecoin is down. That's why everything is down. But I want to go over exactly what's happening and why I know we are not going to be going down for too long. Like this, something is good is about to happen. I can't even speak properly right now. Something good is about to happen. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Remember, this is all my personal opinions. But we're gonna be going over exactly why I believe we are going to be doing very well in the crypto market now. Yes, we will have short-term decreases, a short-term downtrend. Yes, this always happens in crypto. Maybe we go down below 18 cents with Dogecoin. Maybe we go to 15 cents. Remember, we have support at 18 cents, and then after that, 15 cents, and then after that, 8 cents. So 18, 15, 8. That is how we're going to go down with Dogecoin. Now, will we go all the way down to 8 cents? Who knows? Nobody knows. But let's go over what I believe to be true. So over here, this green area is our supply and demand. As Dogecoin slowly but surely trickles down to this green area, it shows we have lots of demand for Dogecoin around 19 cents. Lots of demand around 19 cents at 18 cents. So the second we hit that, people are buying in the Dogecoin like candy. Now, Bitcoin is kind of at the same, everything follows Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is kind of at the same crossroad as well. So let's just type inside of Bitcoin here and see exactly what we have for Bitcoin. So everything is kind of going on the same path here. As you can see, Bitcoin has the same trajectory as Dogecoin. As you can see, everything's the same. Look, now that the supply and demand, there's huge demand for Bitcoin at $53,000. There's demand for it. Now there's less demand up here for 56,000. So if we do have an uptrend, we'll probably get rejected at 56,000. But we're about to see, a little bit of a rise inside of price action and like very soon. I don't know how big it's going to be. It'll probably be small, little. But remember, we're still overall on a bearish downtrend, overall for the short term. So mind that. So what I want to talk to you today about is what the whales of Dogecoin are doing to fight this. So as you can see, Dogecoin is down 6.6% for the day. These Dogecoin whales are doubling down today. All these orders I'm about to show you all came in today when Dogecoin dropped. So we're gonna go over this right now. This Dogecoin whale came in earlier today. $80 million. Yes, they're down to $79.5 million, but they came in at $80 million at 20 cents. Now, I just want to show you what Dogecoin is doing. So let's go over here and look back at that supply and demand, because that is like one of the biggest things for Dogecoin right now. Huge supply and demand. We got a huge demand for Dogecoin. So let's just let this load up over here. 19 cents. Huge demand for Dogecoin. Second it hit 20 cents, we had a big whale come in with that huge purchase. $80 million. That's a lot of money. This next Dogecoin whale came in earlier today, 77.9 million, but they came in at the right time. They came in at 77.9. Now they have 78.1. But still, these Dogecoin whales, they're doubling down. They're buying the dip. There's a lot of them. I have never seen this many Dogecoin whales come in with this much money of a one-time purchase so consistently. There's so many different Dogecoin whales coming in with these one-time purchases, huge amounts of money, literally. So this is that Dogecoin whale at 77.9 million. And then the next one came in earlier today. And remind you, these all came in today. This came in earlier today to 44.9 million. Now it's at 44.7. But you see a constant trend here. They're all coming in today because they notice the dip. They're buying the dip and they're buying it heavy. There's so much money going into Dogecoin just purely off buying the dip. So you can even see, like, even as Dogecoin is going down, you can see the trading volume still staying consistent. 2.4 billion. We're still having millions of dollars being transacted in the Dogecoin every day. Billions, literally. So over here, you can see this Dogecoin whale came in 40.7 million. Now they have 40.8 million. And this was earlier today. So they're continuing to do the same thing. This Dogecoin whale literally made $100,000. Literally, not even a full day. So a lot of them are buying the dip here, and they're seeing the huge huge selling that we're having. They're noticing that a lot of people are selling, so they're buying the dip because they know people are going to buy back in, because we're going into a new year. Remember, January, typically bullish for crypto. Same thing with February, same thing with March, same thing with April. And then after that, that's when you start to go down. So at the beginning half of the year, we're definitely going to see huge amounts, like huge crypto, like it's going to go up huge. Now, I do want to mention December may just be bad, because they always talk about how winter's always bad for crypto. The crypto winter, they always talk about how it's bad, how everything goes down during winter. So we could see a downtrend. Like I said, it's going to be a short-term downtrend. But you see these Dogecoin whales, they're already buying the dip. Like, this is huge, because they're pretty much predicting that after we hit the supply and demand, that we're going to go and try to rise all the way up to 2150, where we'll most likely get rejected at 2150, because this red area here shows that we have less demand at that area. So what's going to happen? They're going to hit this area, and then as soon as we get up here to this red area, they're going to probably end up selling and making a little bit of profit. So this is where you typically see day traders and swing traders come in. So short term, yes, we are bearish. Long term, bullish. Now, so many different whales like these whales here. So this whale right here, I just now showed it, 40.7 million into 40.8. This whale right here, 40.7 million into 40.8. A lot of these whales are doing the same thing, 40.7 million into 40.8. So you see, it's the same price, literally same amount of Dogecoin for all of these different whales. This is one whale. I know it sounds crazy, but this is one whale that put $40 million into like multiple Dogecoin wallets. About 4 Dogecoin wallets, they put $40 million into it. They didn't do it all in one because, it's kind of dangerous. You don't want all your eggs in one basket. But this is showing you, like, this is, I don't want to say like institutions, because a lot of people say institutions would never invest into Dogecoin. But this is a big whale. This is a billionaire. No one comes in $40.7 million on 4 orders back to back. Now this is the 5th one, $40.7 million. This is the 5th. And then this one over here is not one of those. But still, this one did a little bit of a day trade here and lost some money. But still, these Dogecoin whales are putting a lot of money into Dogecoin. This one right here is, like I said, putting multiples inside of Dogecoin. So another thing that you could do here with the Vital Algo Indicator, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. You can go and look up dark pools and institutional interest. So it'll show you where the whales are really expected to get in. As you can see with Dogecoin, high activity is expected where we're at right now. So let's just zoom in on here. We're expected to have high activity right here, moderate activity around 20 cents, but high right here where we're at. So we're seeing a lot of Dogecoin whales coming in. The green area is our supply and demand, showing more demand for Dogecoin. So look, literally the second we hit the green area, we went up on an uptrend. We're slowly but surely trickling down here to this green area. We're going to go on an uptrend. Next time that happens, we're going to have high activity. So there's going to be high activity from the whales, which is pretty much what I was just now showing. These whales are buying a lot of Dogecoin. So it's definitely, fishy right now with the whole crypto market because of the whole variant thing and all this FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. But me personally, I'm still all in on crypto right now. I'm still waiting to see what happens. I'm still buying the dips every single day. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.